The modern world is bad. It is inhumane, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for people. It is for those who produce this money, for bankers and financiers, government and millionaires. And people are mere pawns in this game. They just serve them as attendants. We live in an unfair world where the rich keeps getting richer and the poor keeps living in poverty, even they try to work harder and harder every day. The Federal Reserve prints money, more money, and more money. Then the government and banks use their money to make us work for them. We then became their slaves. We are now slaves of money. We need money, not because we want it, but because we can't live without it. We need it to buy our basic needs, such as shelter, clothing, and food. Without it, we will not survive. So, we all need money. But the question is, where do we find the money? Most people earn money by exchanging their labor for money. However, not all exchanges are fair. Most of them are unjust because we are not the one who controls our earnings. However, if all people learn how to trade goods for money, then we can all be rich. But sad to say that majority of the people are taught in school to trade their labor with money and not trade goods for money. So that's why most people are stuck in exchanging their labor just to earn money. Now, this video will help you get started how to earn money without exchanging your labor, but instead, you exchange money to earn money. Want to know how? Then let me introduce to you about MMM. What is MMM? MMM stands for Mabrudi Mondial Movement. MMM is not a bank. It does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business. MMM is not an investment program. And MMM is not a company. MMM is a global mutual aid society, worldwide people's bank, and at the same time a financial social network, which is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It is just a community of people where everyone is helping each other and provide financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM does not have a central account wherein we do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, it is just a peer-to-peer system wherein participants transfer donations directly to the account of other members. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. And in return, MMM will assign system rewards called Mavro that is enjoyed by active participants and managers. MMM uses Bitcoin, BTC, a decentralized digital currency. The advantage of using Bitcoin is its low fees during fund transfer, and it has the most fastest transactions in sending money worldwide. In MMM, everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one provides help. How does it work? Provide help by Mabro. You donate at least 200 pesos or more. depending on how much you want to donate. Click in your personal office, herein after PO, provide help. You send money via Bitcoin. Your donation will be converted into Mavro, virtual currency of MMM, which grows at the rate of 30% per month. Since this moment, the amount of Mavro begins to grow, even despite the fact that money has not been transferred to anybody yet. Get help. Send Mavro. The system finds a person or more which wants to provide help now. The system connects people by providing the sender with the information of the recipient's details of the bank account. The sender makes the transaction and the recipient confirms the receipt in MMM personal office after the money is received. Since that moment, you have the right to receive financial assistance according to the amount of Mavros which have grown in your personal office during the period of participation. The implementation of MMM Extra model. Each participant is requested to do a web task. For doing it, they are awarded with additional interest. Tasks are focused on the development of MMM. For example, post message advertising MMM in a social network or forum. Another is sharing videos or images, etc. Each of these tasks takes no more than 15 minutes to be performed, and on the day when the participant performs the task, his Mavro are accrued with extra 0.3%. So, those who have fulfilled all the tasks of the month got their Mavro accrued by 30% and 40%. But most important, it is achieved by involving all members of the community in activities related to its development. Besides from helping other people in times of needs, you will also earn rewards from the community. You will get an additional 30% per month of the help you have provided. You will also get referral bonus, wherein you will get 10% of the help provided by people you have invited to be part of MMM community. You will also get your registration bonus on your first help that you have provided, $20, $50, $100. You will also gain 20% to 100% growth rate of your Mavros in MMM Extra. You will also gain access to the MMM Global Guider School, wherein you have a chance to become a leader and manager of the system. With that, you will earn manager's bonus, leadership bonus, and others.